up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to continue with our 1977 pickup truck, but unfortunately we got some very bad news. We measured all the gaps, and of course there are big gaps with our SquareBody, but our gaps were a little too big, and we found out that this cap was involved in a major crash against a tree. Therefore our cap is bent very seriously in a couple of places, but luckily we got our spare cap here. So all that's left to do is build everything from this cap into that cap and throw it on the chassis. Fingers crossed that it goes easily, so let's get our hands dirty and throw this cap on. Okay guys, so we're a couple of days down the road. It's time to install some damping foil inside the cap to reduce the noise sound of our SquareBody. Okay, so it's the next day. Yesterday we were a bit short on supplies. We used all the foil. We needed to get some more glue as well. We also got some tape right here, so we can finish the job. So I got the first layer in, now it's time to apply the second layer. It took a while, but we got the second layer in as well. It's not 100% perfect, but it does the job. All that's left to do is cut out all the holes right here, so all the fittings can pass through again. I think the next step is get this old cap off. Then the welders can weld up an exhaust with mufflers. And then later on, throw our spare cap on and put everything back. Okay guys, so we got the body up in the air. The spare cap is here laying on the ground, almost ready to install. But before installing our spare cap, on the chassis, there's going to be a custom made exhaust for this beast. With that being said, that's the end of this video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.